Despite several consistent efforts, despite lot of hard work, many students they struggle to clear prelims. Why? Because they have failed to understand the change in demand of the UPSC exams. Let's take a conventional strategy. We will be reading five primary important subjects, that is the polity, economy, history, geography, environment. Then we will be doing current affairs. We will solve the MCQs. We will take up the exam. This is very important. This preparation is very important. But along with this, we have one more crucial factor. What is that? We should know to link this current affairs with your static subject. We see a lot of questions coming from this current affairs to static linkage. Usually, such linkage happens in the mains exam, but if you go by the past 5 years UPSC trend, you're able to understand that linkage based questions are coming in prelims as well. So we need a right strategy to approach our prelims 2024. So I have made an exclusive video on strategy for prelims 24. So if you are doing a self preparation, then please watch that video. That video is for you. But sir, I am a fresher. I am a working professional. I am a repeater only, but I need some hand holding with respect to this current affairs. Then I have a course for you. That is 75 cross 75, an exclusive current affairs crash course targeting 2024 prelims. So this 75 cross 75, this time I'm coming up with a difference. What is the difference, sir? So how it works? The course starts from 14th February. From 14th February, every day you have to spend 75 minutes of your time with me. So between Monday to Friday, I will be uploading a video which will be having a duration of 40 to 45 minutes. And I will be giving you a corresponding material. Then followed by that, I will be giving you a mini test. So what you have to do is watch the video, understand the topic, then revise the content through the material given and take up the test. Watch, revise, take up the test. Monday to Friday, do this. Saturday and Sunday, revise whatever we have done. This process is going to continue for 75 days. So 75 days, you are going to spend 75 minutes with me. That is 75 cross 75. So in this process, we will be covering easily more than 600 plus topics. There will be special focus on this current affairs to static linkage. I will be emphasizing more on the economic core concepts as well. I will be covering economic survey and budget also part of this 75 cross 75 program. So for more information about this course, you can call to the number given here. And if you want to discuss with me, you have any doubts in your strategy, you want my personalized guidance, yes, you can reach me. You can always come to offices IAS Academy, or you can reach me to the number given here. You can fix an appointment as well. So see you in the program. Till then, take care. Bye.